Hey, today we're making a classic Kurdish salad that you can pair with pretty much anything. The list of ingredients is very short, so let's get started with the things we need. Here I have some amazing organic tomatoes, some white onions, celery leaves, and if you can't get your hands on any, you could use parsley instead, but the original recipe calls for kerefs, meaning celery leaves, some lemons, and salt to taste. All you need to do now is to dice your tomatoes finely, pick one size and stick to it. And while you're watching me chop, let me go ahead and thank you all for subscribing. And for those of you who haven't done so yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure you click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I post new Kurdish recipes every week. Next thing is to dice your onions finely. I chose white onions for this recipe because that's the most common onion used back home, but of course yellow onions or red onions work too. And finally, you want to go ahead and chop your celery leaves, but make it easy and comfortable for yourself. If parsley is all you can find, go ahead and use that instead. Just remember, it won't turn out as fragrant and flavorful. Once you've diced all your ingredients finely, go ahead and squeeze in your desired amount of lemon juice. And if you don't have lemons, use limes instead, and or citric acid if you like things tart. Add your salt to taste and mix everything together. This salad goes perfect with any Kurdish dish. Pick your favorite thing and serve this alongside it. Here are a few suggestions. This with a plate of red rice or together with some gevishk is all you need. Or the next time you want to have salsa and chips, why not make this salad to use as your salsa? That's all for today. I hope you liked this quick and simple recipe, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one.